Are you looking for the best anti-aging skincare products? Modern savvy women today are concerned with aging, their appearance, and their health. Sooth, restore, calm, and revitalize your skin the healthy way using the world's most powerful new botanical ingredients, Australian Outback superfruits and newly discovered Australian essential oils to give you the best skin of your life. Skincare that's totally chemical-free. Slow the aging process, solve your skincare problems, maintain your youthful appearance, your looks, and safeguard your health. Visit our website and try some today.
Hi, I'm April, Mrs. America 2011. I love Australiana Botanical products, and so will you. They are simply the best anti-aging skincare products available. Maintain your youthful appearance with unique skincare products that work the healthy way. No chemicals, no fillers, no artificial fragrances. Beauty without compromise using pure, natural, and safe skincare products. And they smell heavenly. Try some today and feel the difference. Like me, you'll be glad you did. For the best anti-aging skincare products, visit AustralianaSkin.com right now.